The origins of Tesla, its founders, motivations for building environmentally friendly electric vehicles. It explores Tesla's competition in the electric vehicle market and highlights the company's unique approach to product development and manufacturing. It also delves into Tesla's efforts to improve battery technology, its marketing strategy, and its expansion into other ventures. Overall, the video raises questions about Tesla's ability to disrupt the auto industry and make a profit in a challenging context. The origins of Tesla and how it was founded. Martin Eberhard's concerns about global warming and oil dependence led him to build an environmentally friendly sports car, and after encountering AC Propulsion's electric car, he teamed up with Tarpenning to create Tesla Motors. Musk, also interested in electric vehicles, joined forces with Eberhard and invested $6.3 million into Tesla's development. Tesla entered a nearly non-existent electric vehicle market and criticized hybrid vehicles for their additional weight, cost, and parts. Despite this criticism, sales of hybrid models grew steadily, with Toyota estimating sales topping 1 million per year in 2012. The competition faced by Tesla from other electric vehicles, EVs. The Nissan Leaf, Ford Focus, and Chevy Volt were among the main competitors in the market. Other automakers such as BMW and Porsche also started entering the EV market with their own models. Tesla's approach to product development and design was unique, as they abandoned the traditional car architecture and engineered their cars around the battery packs. The vertical integration and automation in Tesla's manufacturing process, with the use of multifunctional robots, set them apart from other major automakers. One of the key challenges for Tesla was the issue of batteries, which were heavy, volatile, and costly. To address this, Tesla invested heavily in battery development and started constructing the Gigafactory to produce more batteries. How Tesla aimed to bring various operations under one roof to save costs in the auto industry. The company planned to build a net-zero energy factory and sell batteries for other applications, such as the Powerwall for homes. Tesla invested significantly in improving the performance of lithium-ion batteries and protecting its innovations. The company also surprised the industry by renouncing patent control and making its patents open for use. Tesla's unique approach to marketing involved minimal advertising and relying on Elon Musk's involvement for publicity. The company owned and operated its own dealerships, located in high-end malls or affluent suburbs, avoiding the typical franchisee dealership arrangement. Tesla also built solar-powered supercharging stations for convenient battery charging on the go. Tesla's strategy of starting with high-end vehicles before moving down to more affordable ones. The company's supercharging stations, which allowed for free charging for life, were seen as a major advantage over gas vehicles. However, there were concerns about whether Tesla could succeed in disrupting the auto industry and making the internal combustion engine obsolete, especially with low gas prices and flat sales for electric and hybrid vehicles. Tesla's expansion into multiple lines of vehicles, home energy storage, and other ventures raised questions about whether the company was too thinly spread. Additionally, its manufacturing processes were seen as inefficient compared to established auto manufacturers. Whether Tesla could make money in this challenging industry. What do you think? Comment below.